Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, class 7 students. I hope you all are fine. Now, open your science book, page number 59. First, we will recite a dua, then we will start our new chapter. Structure of an atom. Rabbi zidni ilma. ए मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफा फरमा. Today, we will discuss about the history of the atom. As we already know, atoms are very tiny. They cannot be seen with the naked eye. Greeks people believed that matter was made of four elements: fire, water, earth, and air, and their combination. And also, according to Greeks, there were four sets of matter like solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. The history of the atom begins in 5th century with a great philosopher named Democritus. Democritus was the first person who gave the idea about atoms. Democritus always wondered what would happen if we cut a piece of matter into a smaller and smaller pieces. He thought that a point would be reached where matter could not be cut into still smaller pieces. He called these uncuttable or undividable pieces atomos. This is where the modern term atom comes from. Actually, the discovery of atoms is a long process that took many centuries. About 2000 years after Democritus, a British scientist named John Dalton revived Democritus' early ideas about the atom. He did so many researches, and from his research result, he developed one of the most important theories in science. Dalton did many experiments and proved the existence of atom. The next major advance in the history of the atom was the discovery of electrons. These were the first subatomic particles to be identified. Electrons were discovered in 1897 by British scientist named J. Thomson. He discovered that negatively charged particles present in atoms, but he also observed that atoms were neutral. So, this idea leads that something positively charged is also present in atom. Another important discovery after electron was made by Ernest Rutherford. He discovered the nucleus inside atoms. His complete model of an atom also got accepted. Other scientists started working on Rutherford's model and made modification in it. So today basically we discuss about the history of the atom. Democritus was the first person who gave the idea about atoms, and he also introduced the word atomos. This is where the modern term atom comes from. Number second, after Democritus, John Dalton proved the existence of atoms. Then J. Thomson discovered electron, and after the discovery of electron, Ernest Rutherford discovered nucleus. Inshallah, we will learn structure of an atom in detail in next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.